Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm going to show you how to peel ginger quickly in a way that you probably have never thought of before. By the way, this smells delicious. Can you smell it? That is so good. Now usually people will grab their knife and they'll go along the sides of the ginger like this, but what happens when you use a knife? You end up losing a lot of the flesh, and it's very difficult to get in these nooks and crannies with a knife. The other option that people will do is get a potato peeler or something like this, and then they will try to peel it. But again, it is hard to get in those little grooves and nooks and crannies of the ginger, and then you end up wasting a lot of it. So I have an alternative solution for you. I'm actually getting ready to record a cleaning hack video related to ginger. And you probably have one of these laying around your house, multiple of them. What are you gonna grab, my friend? You're gonna get yourself a good old spoon. This is nice because you can get in all those nooks and crannies, and you're gonna go ahead and peel the ginger, and you're gonna lose a lot less of that flesh as a result. And you can get inside here. Yes. Very good. And then you can make whatever delicious, scrumptious thing that you're gonna make, or in my case, a nice cleaning concoction. If you have a really deep groove, you can just go ahead and break your ginger apart, so that way you can get inside of those little grooves like so. That took almost no time at all, and I get to preserve the majority of my ginger. Now, if you're looking for a really clever way to peel potatoes, click this video on screen now. Give this one a thumbs up, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.